We must leave tonight on our adventure into the network.
The conditions are right, and this may be our only chance.
The agents need our help with their LTX Studio review, so we must set sail into the network.
We must first find the real AI agents before we begin our mission.
Off we must go then.
Okay, so that little adventure was built entirely inside of LTX Studio using prompting. It's wild, right? But here's the thing, I don't actually use LTX all that much. I've got my own way of storyboarding and ideating that feels a little more free-form. Still, LTX is one of the most interesting players in the generative storytelling space. It's structured, visual, and surprisingly cinematic. So today, I want to show you what it does, who it's for, and whether it might be the missing piece in your AI creative toolkit. Hi, my name's Jessica with the Real AI Agents. And today, I want you to step into the network with me so we can check out LTX Studios together. Let's dive in and see what LTX Studio can really do. Here is the LTX homepage. So one of the easiest ways to just start generating videos here is to come over to this text to video. You'll see that you can put in a prompt up to 5,000 characters, and then you can choose the model that you want to use. There's a optimized for speed fast or a pro for balanced and quality speed. You can choose your time duration. So let's go ahead and we'll make a 10-second here. You can choose your resolution, whether you want it at 4K, which obviously jumps it back to 8 seconds, or if you want to do a 1080p on that 10 seconds. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then you can choose your frames per second, which is going to be either 25 or 50 here. So we'll go ahead and leave ours at 25. And I have a prompt that I put together using ChatGPT here. So I'm just gonna pop that in there and then simply hit generate video. And just like that, in about 45 seconds, we have a full video generated here. So let's take a look at it.
The crystal mines of Solstice 9 hold the richest treasure in the galaxy. Yeah, they literally purr when you pick them up. Right. Solstice 9, Cryoshard Delta!
Interesting. But you see how quickly that 10-second video was generated based on the script that we put in here. So another option you have is image to video. So we can bring in an image. So I'm just gonna use this pirate captain on her ship here. And I'm going to have her be the one who's inquiring about where the best treasure is. So I'm putting a prompt in there. And again, we've got the fast or the balance. Let's do fast this time to see how quick we can get it. And then we'll do 10 seconds again.
So tell me, what planet has the best treasure?
Well, it did turn it into a video where she's inquiring about which planet has the best treasure. So exactly on point there. Very easy to do if you're just getting started with AI video creation. Of course, there are some more features that we're about to dive into that are a little bit more complex. All right, creators, now that our captains have kicked off the adventure, let's actually take a look at what LTX is and how it can fit into your AI workflow. This is a tool I don't personally use every day, but it's absolutely worth knowing about because the more tools you understand, the more control you have over your AI workflow. And honestly, LTX is doing some very interesting things in the generative storytelling space right now. For those of you who are unfamiliar, LTX Studio is built to take you from idea to storyboard to finish video all in one place. It lives right in your browser and it handles a lot of the heavy lifting that other tools split into separate steps. If you've ever wished your script could magically organize itself into scenes and shots, yeah, this is basically that. As far as I know, this is the only story generator that will do a 20-second video created at a time. So in order to do that, if we come back to the home page here, you can see this generate 20-second video to create longer seamless clips. So this time let's go ahead and we'll give it this same prompt that we had for this video right here with them talking about the different treasures that are on the various planets. And we'll leave everything else the same. We're gonna try this on the fast model so we can check out how quickly we could get this done. So that took about a minute and a half here. Let's go ahead and see what we got.
The crystal mines of Solstice 9 hold the richest treasure in the galaxy.
Nothing beats the living treasure cores of richest treasure in the galaxy. The shimmering vortex pearls of Luminara Verge are the only treasure worthy of pirates of our caliber. Solstice 9! Cryoshard Delara Verge!
So you see, again, generated what we were looking for with the right speech, the right characters, the right setting. Now, of course, this prompting could use some tweaking, but again, this is just to give you an overall view of what this tool is capable of. And then I'm going to hand it over to you to go create. One of its biggest strengths is the storyboard generator. You can paste in a concept or scene idea, and LTX will break it into shot cards, angles, and moments you can tweak. It's structured and it gives you a clear visual starting point. Now, you all know me. My personal storyboarding process is a little more intuitive and freeform. But if you like seeing everything planned visually before you generate a single frame, this feature is fantastic. Another thing LTX does really well is character consistency. You define your actor one time, upload an image or describe the look, and LTX will reuse that same character model across your whole project. For creators who build episodic stories, brand personas, or reoccurring characters, this is a massive win. No more close but not quite variations every time you need a new shot. Let me show you how you can access that storyboard. So from the home screen, you can either come right here to create storyboard, or you have the option to do a new storyboard over here on the left-hand toolbar as well. So let's go ahead and create that storyboard. And then we're going to do an AI guided storyboard on this one. I don't have a script that I'm importing, so let's go ahead and do a script generator here. And I'm just going to say, 3 beautiful futuristic female sea captains are humorously debating which planets have the best treasures. You can tweak it by putting in any special requests that you have. You can decide your format, so whether you're doing a custom, a short film, or a commercial. We're doing a short film on this one. And then we're going to do the genre and tone. Sailing their ships on the digital seas. For genre, we're going to do science fiction and humor. Science fiction and humor. And then for the tone, we want it to be humorous, obviously, and lighthearted. You do have some example log lines over here that you could use, but that's not going to be on theme with what we're looking for. So we're just gonna put this in and go ahead and hit next. And we can see up here at the top that the next step in this process is the storyline. So right now, what it's doing is the AI is creating the story. Ideas. If you don't like this one, you can choose one of these other alternative storylines over here, or you can generate more here. But let's just go ahead and do what it gave us the first time. The next step is going to be it developing the setting and the cast. So you can see that you can choose your aspect ratio over here. You can also choose your video style. They've got quite a few to choose from. So here are the captains it designed for us. I'm not really sure what's going on with this one. Any of them really, they don't really look like sea captains, but that's okay. We're just taking a look at this. So if I wanted to edit them, I could come into edit and I could switch the face, or I could change her appearance altogether and enhance the character by creating a new one. I can also change the voice of the character that I want by choosing there, but we are plugging and playing right now, so let's just check out what it gives us. Okay, so we're gonna hit next, and next we're going to get the breakdown. So we can see that it is generating the breakdown of the different scenes and the synopsis of the film itself. So let's go ahead and hit start here. And we can see that it is creating an image for each one of the different parts of this story. It tells us here what the prompt was that created each scene. So now you see it's broken it down into the various scenes with our characters here. And we have some options. So we can go ahead and generate videos on any of the scenes that we like. So let's go ahead and we'll just do this first one here. Since this is only 13 scenes, let me go ahead and generate all of these videos. And then we'll come back in just a minute and take a look at the video editor system. Then we have the visual controls. You know, the fun stuff. LTX lets you dial in style, lighting, mood, location, and even weather. You can set camera motion. You can animate still images. You can bring those moments to life with a surprising amount of cinematic polish. If you loved the glowing sails and the soft camera push-in the intro, that was all done right here. Where this gets especially helpful is for creators who want to work fast. LTX has a built-in timeline editor where you can reorder clips, trim moments, sync audio, and even upscale your final shots. It's not a full replacement for DaVinci Resolve or Canva, at least not for me right now, but it does let you produce a polished sequence without jumping through a dozen different apps. To do that, all we need to do once we have all of these videos generated here is pull them into the video editor. So I'm simply going to hit this button right here and you can see that it will bring in all of the various scenes from the video editor. I can import the storyboard and it will bring everything in exactly where it should be. You can see it all has the sound and the video applied already that fast. And we have a 1:44 video here put together that we can alter the sound, we can alter the video, we can change the scenery. Anything we want to do in here is possible inside of this video editor. So let's take a look. So right away you can see where, for instance, this laughing scene, they're not laughing very long in it, so I would need to trim that down. Or I could edit it. So if I wanted to trim it down, I could just go straight to this laugh here and just cut the scene. And then if I want to get rid of that extra space, I just simply hit the backspace and then I can create from there. Or if I want to change the video altogether, I can select the video and then I can come over here to this edit engine space. Let's call this project Captains and Coffee since they're in a coffee shop here for some reason. You'll see that it pulls in the video itself and I can alter it from there using this video prompt box right here. Or I can change the starting image, but keep my captains the same. In order to keep my characters the same, all I need to do is @ and their name. You can see how it's highlighted in blue here, where it's referring to those characters. That is how we keep the character consistency throughout the whole project. Now, every tool has its lane. LTX shines for creators who want an end-to-end workflow inside a single platform, and for people who love structured storyboarding with clear visual planning. Where it may not be the perfect fit is if your workflow leans heavily into advanced compositing, node-based VFX, or super custom pipelines. And if you're someone who likes full creative chaos, like me, this might feel a little more guided than what you're used to. But here's the thing, it's powerful, it's evolving quickly, it's affordable, and it absolutely deserves a spot on your radar as a creator. Even if it doesn't replace your current workflow, it might just fill in a gap or spark a new approach to your storytelling. Let's say I take the idea of a futuristic female pirate captains debating which planet hides the best treasure. I drop that into LTX's storyboard workspace. I choose the cinematic visual style, picked my save character, set the location, such as a digital spaceship, and add a little orbiting camera motion. Hit generate, and within minutes, I have a full sequence to refine. That's the thing I appreciate most about LTX, the speed between idea and result. If you're creating content for your brand, your business, or your YouTube channel, and you want to get visuals out quickly, this might just be a game changer for you. So overall, LTX isn't my everyday tool, but it is absolutely one that every creator should be aware of. The more you know, the better you can shape your own workflow, and the more you can adapt to the tools that keep evolving. If you decide to try it out, let me know what you create. I love seeing what you guys come up with. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully you're feeling inspired to go check out what LTX has to offer you as a creator. Thanks for spending some time with me today. My name's Jessica with The Real AI Agents, and as always, keep looking towards the future.